Survival is about using what you have around you. Nature is full of food if you know where to look. Knowing how to find edible plants and mushrooms is important. This knowledge can keep you alive in an emergency. Imagine being lost in the wilderness. You need food and water. Understanding which plants and mushrooms are safe to eat is crucial. This knowledge can make the difference between surviving and starving. Learning these skills is not just for extreme situations, it helps you connect with nature. You learn to appreciate what the natural world provides. These skills can be valuable for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. Not all plants are safe to eat, some can be poisonous. Look for plants that are common in your area. Study field guides to learn about their features. For example, learn to identify edible berries, nuts, and roots. Pay attention to the plant's characteristics. What shape are the leaves? What color are the flowers? These details help you differentiate between edible and poisonous plants. Remember, when it comes to wild plants, if in doubt, throw it out. Some plants have poisonous lookalikes. These plants may look similar to edible ones, but can make you very sick. Always double-check the plant's features before eating it. Your safety depends on accurate identification. Mushrooms can be a great source of food in the wild, but be careful. Some mushrooms are deadly poisonous. Learn to identify a few edible types commonly found in your region. Start by learning the characteristics of poisonous mushrooms. Many poisonous mushrooms have white gills, a ring around the stem, or a bulbous base. Avoid these mushrooms altogether. Never eat a mushroom unless you are 100% certain of its identity. If you have any doubts, it's best to err on the side of caution and leave it be. There are many other sources of food in the wild. Once you've gathered your wild edibles, you need to know how to prepare them. Some plants can be eaten raw, but others need to be cooked. Boiling is a simple way to make many plants safe to eat. Mushrooms should always be cooked thoroughly before eating. This helps to break down any tough fibers and makes them easier to digest. You can sauté mushrooms, add them to soups, or roast them over a fire. Preserving your forage food is important for long-term survival. Drying is a great way to preserve mushrooms, fruits, and some plants. You can also learn to smoke meat or fish for preservation.